Solflare wallet versus Neon wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are available in the description. Let's dive into a detailed comparison to help you determine which wallet suits your crypto needs. Solflare wallet is a specialized solution for the Solana blockchain, designed for users deeply involved in Solana's ecosystem. It allows seamless management of Sol tokens, staking for passive income, and integration with Solana-based decentralized applications, dApps. Solflare supports NFTs, offering a user-friendly gallery to manage and showcase your collectibles. Its interface is sleek and easy to use, available as a mobile app, browser extension, and web wallet. For added security, it integrates with Ledger hardware wallets and supports multi-signature functionality. Solflare is best suited for those invested in Solana's ecosystem, whether they're staking, collecting NFTs, or interacting with Solana dApps. Neon Wallet, on the other hand, is built for the Neo blockchain, focusing on the Neo ecosystem and its native tokens, Neo and Gas. It provides a simple, open-source platform to store, send, and receive Neo assets. A standout feature is its gas claim functionality, allowing users to easily claim gas generated by holding Neo. Neon Wallet is desktop-based, prioritizing security and decentralization by ensuring users maintain full control of their private keys. However, it lacks mobile or browser versions and doesn't support multi-chain assets, making it ideal primarily for those committed to the Neo ecosystem. Choosing between these wallets depends on your blockchain preference. If you're invested in Solana, Solflare Wallet offers specialized tools for staking, NFTs, and dApps, making it a perfect fit. However, if you're focused on the Neo ecosystem, Neon Wallet delivers a simple and secure way to manage Neo assets and claim gas rewards. Each wallet excels in its niche, so the right choice depends on your blockchain and asset priorities. Explore the links in the description to learn more and decide which wallet aligns with your crypto goals.